a treat. Don't hide now, let's slide now, you and me. I do it from kindness, I just like to please. I ask one small favor, let me give you a squeeze. Squeeze. Get away! What are we going to do? Humans! Humans! Everybody run for your lives! There's a rumpus in the rainforest today, today. A rumpus in the rainforest today, today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today, today. A rumpus in the rainforest today, today.
They tag us, let's start a fracas, run riot, and then run away. They'll catch us and plug us, let's start a ruckus, squawking without a delay. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today.
There's a rumpus in the rainforest today, today. A rumpus in the rainforest today, today.
The monkeys are howling, the jaguars are growling, weasels are wailing away. The wild pigs are snorting, hawks are cavorting, we all have a whole bunch to say. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today.
There's a rumpus in the rainforest today, today. A rumpus in the rainforest today, today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today, today. A rumpus in the rainforest today, today. A rumpus in the rainforest today, today. Just then, two explorers came by. They're looking for the lost ancient city of chocolate. The ancient city of chocolate should be right here. Oh, I can't wait to find it. We've been looking for months, and I've completely run out of candy bars. There's rivers of syrup, dark chocolate and light, and streams of hot cocoa to bathe in at night. And there at the end of a rich rocky road, a town made of brownies, that's our mother lode. Cacao bean, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that we make from the cacao bean. It's a spot of a chocolate loaf where they kept the marshmallows, nuts, and the malt. I'll live in a tall house from which I won't budge, except to climb up the great temple of fudge. Cacao bean, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that we make from the cacao bean. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that we make from the cacao bean. Oh yeah. Hi guys, so that chocolate city you're looking for is way over there. Just keep walking that direction and then you can't miss it. Gee, thanks. Last one in the fudge is a maraschino cherry. I didn't know there was a city of chocolate in the jungle. There isn't. Those guys were scaring off the howler monkeys and they're my last chance. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys. Can you say we monkey around? Hello, monkeys. Can you take me up to see the sky above the trees?
What? Us? Take you up into the canopy? Are you nuts?
No, I don't think so.
Well, if you're not nuts, don't hang around us. Stay right on the ground and don't monkey around. Up in the canopy, 'cause the air's so thin, we just howl and we grin. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? We just swing and we play, go bananas all day. Up in the canopy, there is no escape, and we've all gone ape. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is just for chums with opposable thumbs. Up in the canopy. Stay right on the ground and don't monkey around. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is so discouraging. No one will help me, and I just want to see the sky. I don't feel good. Just then the Armenians marched by. Frog and Toucan jumped out the way. Nothing can stop our common army. Here come the ants. Help me up on your log. I don't want to be nibbled to death. Marching by the millions, marching all day long. One ant might be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One ant is so tiny, two ants are still small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork, that is how you work. Help each other. If you're pairing and you're sharing, then you've got a lot of clouds. Teamwork, help each other. Teamwork, help each other. If you're pairing and you're sharing, then you've got a lot of clouds. By the millions, marching all day long. One ant might be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One ant is so tiny, two ants are still small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork, that is how you teamwork. Help each other. If you're pairing and you're sharing, then you got a lot of clouds. Teamwork, that is how teamwork. Help each other. If you're pairing and you're sharing, then you got a lot of clouds. Woo! The ant song about teamwork reminds the frog of something very important. His friend the toucan is still hurt. In his eagerness to get to the sky, the frog had not stopped to help his injured friend.